Wait. Hold on. Did I just hear somebody cough? Oh, snap. This nigga sick. I knew it. I knew this nigga was Japanese. I seen it in his eyes. Oh, hell no. This nigga sick. You had the coronavirus, nigga. I shook your hand, bro. I better not be sick because of your dumb ass. I heard you, nigga. I can smell that shit, nigga. Nigga, you Japanese. I saw you eat orange chicken at lunch today, nigga. No, I'm on that. Now you can try something new, nigga. You gonna try this new blade in your throat, nigga, when I kill you. Get the fuck out the classroom and go to the doctor before I call the CDC on your dumb ass. Bro, I just looked it up, man. His great-great-grandparents is Japanese. Get the fuck out the classroom, nigga. The only one who think we should kill Yin Yang over here, or is it just me? You better not cough again. Shit, he coughed again. I'm calling CDC. You're most definitely getting my prostate checked early because I do not want to die of this disease because of Yin Pong over here. It's definitely Vietnamese now. I know for a fact.
Okay.
I know, please get out of the classroom. Nigga.
I'm nigganese.
Shut up. Get the fuck out.
I'm nigganese.